Every so often, you create a piece of art that reaches into the depths of your soul and stirs something within you. This is that piece for me. Hi, I'm Becca. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel, where you can find weekly creativity and inspiration for your fluid art journey. Today, I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm using one of my favorite all-time color combinations. This is a custom base that I made up, of course. It is primarily turquoise blue and a little bit of phthalo blue and a bunch of white, some quinacridone, Nicolazzo gold, just to tone it down a bit, and a few other colors that I honestly can't remember at this moment. If you'd like to see how I mix my custom colors, I do have a color mixing tutorial, and you can click on the link here. I am going to be creating a branch that is going into the opening, which I had in mind a name for this piece even before I created it. I've just been thinking about how much my life has changed over the past few years. I stepped away from my corporate job and am pursuing art full time on my own, and it's been such a tremendous journey. It's allowed me to have so much more time with my family and just to keep the first thing first in my life. The second layer that I've applied on here is the Amsterdam bluish greenish, and then on top of there is Pebeo iridescent blue green. That is one of my new favorite colors. I have begun to move away from using Floetrol as my primary pouring medium, and I am using Olga Soby's new recipe. One of the problems that I've come across is the way she teaches you to mix your paints. My favorite Liquitex Gold and Liquitex Copper that have become known as my hot dog layer ended up selling up too much for my liking. I really like the way that those colors look when they flow, and so I wanted to see if I could figure out a way to mix those paints with her Group 2 recipe, which is the more flowy of the paints. And I really, really love her Group 2 recipe. I get some flow and some color in my paintings that I just never got with Floetrol. And I think it's so beautiful, but I don't like that sometimes my paintings sell up too much. So I am learning and experimenting with her recipe to see if I can get a flow that I like using the metallic colors and have minimal cells. If you like the way that this painting turns out and would like to take Olga's course, there is a link to the course in my description, and you can use promo code Becca for 10% off her already discounted course. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the blowout process. I love the way this painting turned out. I hope you love it too. And if you found value in this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay around for what's coming up next.